guys, today we're making a review, let's play Deadpool, the awesomest game ever, and with me, Kristen Original. So yeah, be prepared, this will be the awesomest game ever. I'm not sure, can you see? So that's why I may put the lights off. So, come on, work, fucking game. Hey, sorry, that was my camera. Yeah. So we have campaign. Fuck. Fuck, what the hell is wrong with the game? Don't we have BIOS cable? Yeah, that's dumb. Again, Genosha. Sorry guys, maybe we're going to have another review. Okay. Let's see. Will the game start from here? Yay. So we start the game from here.
Got your message. And for the last time, no. You cannot take our Blackbird out for a joyride. Stop calling about it.
Okay, now let's play the game and I'll be quiet.
I have the contract for you if you're interested. The coin is good, so just let me know. Oh, and regarding that other thing you texted me about, I can't. I mean, it was just supposed to be that one time. Anyway, just call me.
Deadpool. It's Peter Della Penna from High Moon Studios. You know, the guy you kept calling dickhead when you cornered me in the parking lot the other night?
I'm not sure, could you see better?
Not gonna pretend I
Yeah, maybe.
any of it. But the answer is no. We're gonna pass this big game idea.
What? He said no? That was our chance to be our own video game. Maybe we shouldn't have written the proposal in crayon. Relax. You know,
Yeah, I love Deadpool.
Yeah, because of the...
Deadpool! Hey, it's Peter. You know, dickhead. Remember when I called you earlier and told you no? I'm such a joker. Because I meant yes, of course. The new proposal you sent over this morning went off.
Yeah, we can play a fucking game.
Genius. Just
Idiot.
So, sum it up. Congratulations. Let's make a video game.
see? Once again, our explosive personality wins the day. High five! No high fives. We're voices in our...
I'll put some subtitles
My sound designer's paying
later.
for the script right now. As soon as it's ready, right over.
Deadpool. Yeah, the best game ever.
This is bullshit. A script? Like some biggest word writer's gonna know better than me how to show how amazing I am. Amazing is...
I love this game.
You're right. What's so amazing about that team? Click.
Yeah, let's get off our fucking ass.
Hey, what's that? You guys tracking my every move now? But I haven't even accomplished anything in this game yet. And there's another one. Oh, so it's gonna be one of those games, huh?
Yeah, one of the best games.
Hey, player, sit your ass down and watch the TV. Maybe you'll learn something.
Yeah, let's watch something.
Looking for the warning. Deadpool! Hero and villain. Deadpool was a badass mercenary named Wade Wilson. After being recruited into the Weapon X program, Wade was subjected to experiments that gave him awesome regenerative powers and drove him batshit crazy. Today, the merc with a mouth travels the globe in search of fortune. And Jimmy Jargo!
Deadpool. Yay.
Click. You think the player knows anything about us? They did buy the game. No one to love us.
No, it didn't. But I didn't buy the game. To make a call.
Nolan, hey, what's up, buddy? We're making a game about me. Gotta have you do the video. I see, here's the thing. People tell me we sound alike.
That sounds awesome, Deadpool. Listen, I have a different take on it. Maybe we just make you, maybe it's an alternative type of Deadpool. He's somebody that's like, forget the boobs. Let's just go for pecs.
Yeah, well, fuck you, Nolan.
Idiot. Huh.
Let's see what's behind door number 1.
Yay.
No, Nick, do this, please. Oh, baby, you're the only one. She always looks so surprised to see us.
Yeah, let's use the internet.
Jane meter is full right now.
Wait.
You know why I love the internet? Because just like me. I'm gonna show you one of my Deadpool comics. Dead.
You have to check the mode.
Now this is what it's all about. Look at all this fine weapons.
Oh, let's.
Starting to get the feeling that no love was put into my apartment.
Can't we just change the clothes? Fuck. Let's get asleep. No, we can't. Fuck. We can use this, we can't use this. To use the internet, nope. Okay, so let's see what can we do here except to watch TV.
Wonder what's in here. Now what could this be? All right, I got it. Now what? All right. Bet you thought there'd be some kind of payoff with the empty cupboard. Nope.
Yeah, let's make some pancakes.
I love the smell of pancakes in the morning. Smells like...
Oh my god! Deadpool just did 1,000 of pancakes. Oh, he's awesome. Oh, let's eat some pizza time.
Outsourced problem. Let me guess. I just ate the leftover pizza from all that developer crunch time. Am I right? You last second schmuck.
There should be another room. But I can't find it. Yeah!
Obviously, the prop guys never got around to making me an awesome guitar.
Oh yeah, let's go to the bus.
Why would anybody want to see that? I sure don't know. Why did they think I wear a goddamn mask? Hope this game doesn't, try to do the whole tragedy behind the comic. Yeah. There we go. Now we're talking. Much more realistic.
Yeah, let's go to the toilet.
Who asked for this? Hundreds of... Oh!
Okay, there should be, yeah, the doggy style.
So, how's the ball with you coming along? Red Rocket! You just sit tight, and I won't have to shoot.
Strange. There are no more activities here. Oh yeah, let's get some napping. I want to do all of the activities to get the achievement.
You watching me sleep this whole time? Freak.
Okay, I think we are ready. Answer the door.
Underwear? Are you trying to say underwear?
Hello, delivery for Mr. Deadpool. Need your autograph right here, please. Hello, sir. I have a package of...
So do I. Yoink. Package. Shit. As I suspect. Words. Everywhere.
That's dumb.
We should read some of them. Fine. Lead one. Dark and stormy night. Deadpool is contracted to kill media mogul Chance White, who is blah 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 dee blah blah. So it's that and it's that. Ah, crayons. Very classy. Why are we trying to kill what's his face? Who cares? I'm making art here. Behold! Not sure the player understands our thinking. Hey, player, just go with it. We're about to change your fucking life.
Okay. I want to say that. So we're going to fight now in the sewers, and when we get to the building, I'll stop the video. Then I'll...
the sewer. Oh, quaint. Does anybody remember how to play? I never read the manual. You can't read. Yes, I can. I only play PC games. Hey, there's a text. Player, read that shit. Do whatever High Moon says. Ah, sweet. Jump button. Light attack. Check.
E. Oh, strong attack.
Got it. I command goons to spawn.
Nice.
Our magic skills. Hey, mix our light and heavy attacks together and see what happens.
Oh,
Enemies can't
teleport.
while we have teleport. Can't hit what isn't there, baby. You know what's better than not getting hit? Hitting back. Okay, we get it. Buttons do stuff. Let's move on. What did you have in mind? Besides you two schmucks. One great piece.
Yeah, let's interact that. What the hell?
Ooh. Sometimes it's the setup work that'll get you all tuckered out.
Yeah, you're right, Deadpool.
Check. Boing. Banana. Boing. 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 Banana. Boing.
Let's go that way.
Hey, we don't take fall damage, so go nuts. Oh, an unsuspecting bad guy. Let's stealth kill him.
Oh, stealth kill. I like that. E or Z? Z. Oh, with a gun. Ew.
In my game, you get points for killing baddies.
Yeah, and you spend those points to get cool upgrades to make us more badass.
That is impossible. Yeah, but it's called progression in game. A must-have. Hey, player, open up the upgrade menu and see what we can buy.
Nice. I want to buy something. Let's just collect these. Backspace. Nice. We can upgrade something or we can buy something. But we don't have. Let's upgrade something. I want to upgrade. More damage. By reward. Sword. I think the money will be better. Okay. Enough for now.
The more bad guys we kill, the more upgrades we can unlock and purchase with our points. I like
Okay.
to spend my Deadpool for defense and healing.
Yeah, I like to spend my Deadpool for nougat and cream filling. But I don't think that's an option.
Double jump. I love double jump. Okay. So can we just double jump this?
Okay, class. Cast
Oh.
jump while jumping toward the wall to perform a wall jump. Ta-da!
Yay! We did it. So let's collect more money.
If it were me, I'd chain wall jumps together to get higher.
Me too.
Press the jump button in midair to do a double jump. Awesome. Laws of physics be damned. Oh, and hold the jump button to mantle up ledges.
Jump. Oh,
Try
got it.
mantling up this ledge.
No.
Don't do that again.
Okay, that was dumb. Very dumb. We need to start the thing all over. Fuck. And our time is almost ended, so we have 10 minutes. So yeah, we have enough time to get in the ground if we're fast enough. That's creepy with the lamp. But there are no monsters here. You know. I mean, yes, there are mutants, but no monsters. What the hell? Okay, from here we go up. I'm sure I saw something,
Okay, class.
but it was my shadow.
Toward the wall to perform
So,
a wall jump. Ta-da!
yeah, it is my shadow. That's creepy here.
If it were me, I'd chain wall jumps together to get higher.
I like you,
Press
Deadpool.
the jump button in midair to do a double jump. Awesome. Laws of physics be damned. Oh, and hold the jump button to mantle
Yeah, I know. Thank you for the info. Yay, we did it.
I think I need to make an entrance. Time to go boom.
Whee!
Phew. That's what happens when you mix C4 with a beef burrito.
Whee!
Now be honest. I'm not the only one with a little bit of shit in their pants right now, am I? The elevators. Mary, JB.
Why are we here again?
We're getting paid off some billionaire douche novel.
That'd be media mogul Chance White. Eyes for the mob, the private army, babies cry. Your classic easy to hate villain.
What are we doing again?
Okay, so we have some new upgrades. And what to upgrade? The grenades, or I don't know. But well, I think we need to stop our video here, and I think we are going to upgrade the gun, but we cannot. So we'll buy the shotguns. Oh, we can't. 8. Oh my god. So we'll upgrade our sword and we'll stop the video here. So what the hell is that? Momentum attack. So yeah, that's nice. How much does it cost? Oh man, I'll buy this. 100, okay, and 35, okay. We don't have money for this, but so yeah, let's upgrade the money and we'll finish here. So goodbye guys, see you next time in the awesomest game in the world, Deadpool. That's how awesome looks like. So goodbye guys, see you next time, and please subscribe in my channel, Kristen Original.